This tutorial will show you how to clear your DNS resolver cache, which can often resolve errors when loading web pages. Sometimes a web page will load successfully, but an old version of the page is shown. Clearing your DNS forces your computer to update the stored or cached web page information. Your web browser uses a domain name service, or DNS, to translate website addresses into IP addresses, which computer networks use to find each other. For example, uidaho.edu translates to the IP address 129.101.119.250. To speed up your experience, your device often stores a copy of this information for later use. However, if the location of the web server changes, it can confuse your machine and you can end up at the wrong place. It's like giving directions to your browser to go to a place that does not exist anymore. To fix this, we use commands to flush out the old information, requiring your device to request the latest information from the DNS service. To flush your DNS cache in Windows 8, press the Windows key and X, or search for command prompt in the Start menu. Then, in the command prompt, type ipconfig //flush DNS and press Enter. For Windows 7 users, open the command prompt by clicking on the Start button and typing CMD into the search box. Then, press Enter to run the program. Use the same command, ipconfig //flush DNS, to clear the cache. To flush the DNS cache in Mac OS X, open the terminal by searching for it in the Spotlight, and then type dscacheutil --flush cache in the terminal to flush the DNS resolver cache. For iOS users, you can simply toggle airplane mode on and then off to clean the DNS cache. For Android users, select Settings, then Applications, and then under Network Location, select Clear Data. For more tutorials, please visit support.uidaho.edu/tutorials and be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter.